Hello everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of uh, today's live session. Yes, what's going on today? We will see, we will discuss, we will talk about some issues, we will talk about some of. All right, I hope you guys can see this in a better way. Okay, so yes, we are live. Uh, Let me set up the light. Actually, the light is very dim. Maybe you would not be able to see me better way. Okay, I hope seems better now. So what's going on here today? Let me just sorry. Yeah, so thank you so much for being a part of live session. What we are going to do is today, of course, we are just performing live trade every day and try to grab some very small amount of profit from the market, as well as we can book small losses as well. So what we are doing is we are just hoping for actually our two trades yesterday just got stuck and still one of that went to $200 positive, like it went up to almost 40% of my trade. I could have make uh $200 yesterday, and my TP was there actually, and it just fall down just after touching that TP. Well, it happens. Okay, so let's talk about all right, let's get few live viewers first, so we will talk about more things. Okay, I hope you guys are getting notification. What is it? What is it? And yes, before we start doing trading on the live account, I always love to mention that crypto is a very high volatile market. Try to be safe, guys. It's a very volatile market. Do your own research. This video, this live session is just for entertainment and information purpose. Don't follow my trades. Don't follow my setups. Do your own research before you enter the trade. And if you are new to crypto, just start doing with demo accounts instead of using your real money. And yes, you can use free money as well. There's a link in bio. You can click on that. So you don't need to add your money. The exchange will give you a 50 free USDT upon registration. So it's a good opportunity. You can avail that. And yeah, that's what it is. And okay, so let's have a look on today's market and fear index and greed index moreover season. So fear index is at 49. So gradually improving towards greed. So it's and decreasing from the fear side. So it's a good sign for long positions. Um, but it just happened just because the BTC just moved on the upside. So yeah, that was a good sign uh, for that. And let me check.
Help me out a little bit more. So if I go over here to interpret,
Let me shut down this one. Let's talk about BTC. What's going on? It's the 1 minute time frame. It's 5 minutes. So guys, yes, BTC went to all-time high. Let me show, not, oh, sorry, not all-time high. So today's highest, it's Wednesday, yep, January 7th, and we will see Sheikh Sahab. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, so BTC is just hovering around 92,700 to 94,000, in just between that. Um, so trying to find support at somewhere around 92,000. First support should be around there, 92,000, 92,500, somewhere around there. And moreover, Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum is also performing, outperforming today. Uh, it's 1.3% up, of course, 3,254 it went up to that. And yeah, it's finally catching up the momentum. Um, so all of the traders have been waiting for that one to to for the for the Ethereum to go up a little bit. Moreover, yeah, B and XRP is also just uh, finding third spot the market, and all coins like Chainlink, the Link, Dot, and they are uh, just hovering around at the previous prices. So it's not a big movement in that because BTC is dominating the market. It's still 58%. So yeah, it's a good percentage of the dominance. And so what's going on here is um, yeah, Sol is testing the resistance at 145 almost. So yeah, Sol is a very good project, of course, as per my understanding. That's what I think actually. So you can take it and buy in spot buying and keep it for the long period of time as well. So you can do that. And okay, so new. If BTC stays above 92,500, the structure remain incredibly bullish, I must say, for the weekend push. Of course, Wednesday is there, Thursday and Friday. Yeah, 2 days more, and it can push towards like 95,000. And if we lose 92K support, it can go. The second support should be around somewhere around 88,500. So that would be a golden pocket to open the long position if everything goes right. If nothing big happens in the market and there is no big news in the market, so yeah, it's a good sign to open the long position for BTC around. If the week closes above 92,500, 92,000, yeah, somewhere around. Yeah, 92,000. If it loses 92,000 K, and then the next support should be around 88,500. So it's a good sign for opening the long. It would be a good sign for opening the long position from 88,500 for BTC. So, and anything can be happened. So it's a volatile market. It's always the volatile. What we assume is sometimes it doesn't happen that way, and it goes. Hello, brother. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome back to live session. So yeah, nice to see you again. And okay, so yeah, that's it. Uh, have you got the bonus amount? Have you tried to check with your application? You should have got like 50 USDT. I have seen one guy, another guy was registered using my referral and he got 50 USDT bonus. So have you checked that? Just let me know. If not, then let me know again so I can just. You don't need to add your money for now, I must say. And what's going on here is futures. Thank you so much for your likes. I really appreciate it. Okay, so my yesterday's position, HUSDT was in positive, almost $200. I set up my TP to 201 maybe or $2. So it just touched that mark and just went back down. So it's still in negative, but very small amount in negative. It will be in positive for sure today because I have just checked back tested that movement, and it's just because of BTC. So yeah. Um, okay, thank you so much for likes. Just give me as much as likes you can, so I would be more open for more people. So thank you for your appreciation. Moreover, yeah, just let me know about the bonus amount if you get that. If you didn't get that, just let me know again. So I will check it from my side as well. And what's going on here is, uh, yes, Mm, sorry, I was just, okay, so yeah, if you get that 50 USDT free of cost, just let me know. If you did not get that, also let me know so I can arrange that for you just upon registration. Don't need to add your real money. You don't need to add that money. Just enjoy free bonus upon registration. So it's a good opportunity. Just avail it. Okay, let me check another thing for you guys. Okay, so uh yes, I have created an account on X as well, so you guys can follow me on X as well. So there are some news for crypto market updates every day. So I have just started posting few videos every day. So sorry, not videos, some text related to very small text to understandable for almost everyone. So yeah, and let me. Okay, so here we are. Yes. So what we are going to do is we will. Sorry. All right, guys. So yes, we are. Okay, so I think because our two-day trades are stuck for now, but we will still try to open another position, but maybe not more than one position for today. So that's the way we can just grab the opportunity if we would be able to do that. If not, then of course everything sometimes goes wrong. So what can we do? We can wait. We can just follow our discipline as well. So all right. Mm, and what is that? What is that? Just give me a second, so I will show you my screen. I'm just setting up my screen for you guys. So that's the way we can just start performing the live trades today. And what we are going to do is I'm just setting up a few things for you guys. All right. Okay. So guys, I am just mentioning that again that we are performing live trades every day, but it's not a financial advice, nor sorry, Marco Polo. Good morning. Can I just download my bank account? Sorry, I don't understand your question actually. What are you talking about? To add uh, your Coinbase link, you want to link your Coinbase with your bank account? Is it what I just understand? Maybe. If not, did I get it right? Sorry, guys, I'm just getting a call. Okay, so yes, we are. Mm, okay, what we are going to talk about? Okay, so guys, there is a link and description in bio, so you guys can just follow my other social platforms following that link as well. And there's a link of that exchange. What I'm doing trading on that. So you will be awarded free 50 USDT. It's free of cost for you guys. Just upon registration, don't need to do KYC and stuff like that. So just register with your email and password, or your mobile number, and set up your password. That's it. And upon registration you will be awarded 100 USDT, and you can use that for one trade, performing any futures trade. And just for once, that's for one time opportunity, you can just avail that. And moreover, I am just going to set up actually my screen for you guys. Hmm, sorry guys. Okay, so I have just set up my screen for you guys, so now you can I'm just going to show you my screen with you. All right. So see, that's the trade actually I have. I am stuck from yesterday, and now I am just about to be up. Now I am just going to, must say, it's just came to my break even. So what should I do? I can close half of the position. Actually, I did the DCA yesterday. I have done the DCA. No, I think not. Uh, I just doubled the position yesterday. It's just hovering around to my break even. What should I do actually? I can close it here and can take the long position again. I am, I should have to do that actually. What do you think? That's my break even actually. Let me show you. So see, it's just hovering around to my break even. It let me show you yesterday's position. It went to my break even. I took the position, I think from here, maybe, yeah, it went down again, and it just went back to that mark. My TP was set at 0.16211. So and it just fall down again. So I was just having a look, and my strategy is to book my 20x, 2% of my portfolio. I can book that loss. That's my appetite for booking my loss. So, but it never went to that mark, and it's just coming back to my break even now. And it's a good sign. It's a good sign. Maybe yes, it can. It's the HUSDT. That's the pair. Uh, the trade just opened yesterday. If you remember that, this one. So yes. So I'm just, it's just, actually, I just want to close that on break even. I will just try to grab that again, maybe from down somewhere from here, or I don't know. It's just hovering around to that, my break even now. What I did is I think I have done DC yesterday. I don't remember actually now. Yeah, I think I did DC. I just double my position size. That was $250 for once, and then I just increased that position to $500 using 20x of the leverage. It's not recommended. Please do your own research before you use your leverage, use your portfolio. Strongly recommended that please try to use just 1 or 2% of your portfolio, not more than that, and try to take 5 to 10x leverage. If you're new to that, if you're old, young, then of course you understand the market and the movements, of course. So that's the way we can just uh, make good money. Of course, we just want to grab just small amount of profit every day and stays away from the market. I think I have made very, very small profit yesterday. I have a very big portfolio, but uh, I did not take big profit yesterday because I already have made a lot. So I think we don't need to rush after like getting profits every day. Yeah, yeah, still following that, but but I'm just not opening the trade for now. If we see, let's see on the RSI. If 1 minute RSI is very against my position, but my that's my break even actually. So I cannot do anything. I can just wait and watch. So that's what just happened. I still follow the RSI, and yeah, I just follow 2080 for scalping actually. For short term. I think I have mentioned that earlier. Yeah. So you didn't tell me that you get the bonus upon registration? If you are not getting that, just let me know. Okay. Moreover, uh, thank you so much for sharing my live session to your community as well. It's an honor for me, brother. I feel honored like if uh my like community members just like you encourages to encourages me actually in the way sharing and like giving me likes and subscribe. So thank you so much for being a part of community. Actually, we have just started building community. I was so shy for going live, but actually because I have been in a good profit, so I just wanted people to understand my strategy. Actually, I'm telling my strategy every day because every day the new person. Oh, okay, maybe yeah, yeah. I think I thought you registered that. Okay, yeah, two of the guys got registered yesterday. I think they're not live yet. Maybe I will talk with them. Okay, okay. Another guy just got actually 50 USDT, and he just messaged me on TikTok as well that he got that bonus. So yeah. Sure, sure. No worries. No hurry. No hurry. No worry. Easy. If you want to, don't worry. If you don't want to, it's totally fine. No worry. Okay. So now this is just hovering around to my break even. I just really want to close this trade here and we'll open the long position again, but let me check 15 minutes. So yeah, it's the RSI you see. It's on on the higher side. It's on 82 somewhere around there, so it's very high. 82, 80, and yeah, 83, 85. And if we see on 1 minute, yeah, it's just falling down. Okay, if on the 1 minute time frame it's falling down to below 30 or maybe below 20, somewhere around there, and price stays above 158, then for sure it's going back up again. I have a good feeling for this one. Let's see if it goes right. I have a good feeling for this one actually. Maybe it's going right in the right direction. And you see the RSI. This is the RSI, and if the price stays above 158, so that's the fair value gap in this candle. And if it's not, it will come back to fill these positions. And if it would not be able to do that, then of course it's just going back down. Maybe if it fills these positions and go back, then surely it will cross my break even. But it's a good sign, I must say. Okay, let's talk about the indicator as well. This one, smart money. Yeah, we had that. Let's see. Yeah, here it is. And it's a 5 minutes time frame. Oh wow. In the 5 minutes time frame, it's in favor of opening the short long position as well. So strong low and weak high. Yes, it's a good sign for opening the long position from here as well. Actually, you can open the long position, but don't do that. Uh, and that's my personal opinion. And do your own research. Okay, so what we are doing going to, if we see the 1 minute time frame, yes, break of structure is also here. Weak high, yes, weak high. The RSI is also going 48, okay, 60, and it's showing 46 RSI 5. Yes, I have a good hope for this one, but if nothing big, there's no big order blocks prior to fills out of over here, maybe. Not sure now. Let's see. Let's wait and see if it goes right or wrong. I have a good feeling for this one. It's going back up, of course, but till where I cannot. Actually, that's the fair value gap. If it fills that one, and if it would not be able to fill that one, then it will definitely go back. And if it fills down, and it can fall down to maybe this market as well. So I think that I have drawn this line yesterday. Let's move this one for now here. Let's assume this is our support for now. It's not actually, but we can assume that. I want RSI under 30 and the price should be above 58, 158. And that's the way we can judge the market actually. We can have a better understanding if RSI is falling down below 30 and the price stays above this mark, then for sure it's going back up. So yes, we are just said hunger. Okay. Um, Thank you so much for watching my live session, Irfan brother, and absolutely not. That's the Imran Khan actually. That's why you just write your name. Absolutely not. Maybe. And Zain brother is always live with me and almost every day. Zain, sorry, I think I have just named you wrong. Okay, so that's we are just waiting for this candle, maybe, maybe the next candle. But this is a good sign if you see. Let me just make it a big for you guys. Okay, so it's just getting a little bit pushed down, but RSI is, of course, it's showing the good sign, but not always. That's the gap. If it fills that one, then it can just fall down more again. So all we need to do is we can just, hello, Diana, thank you for your message. Oh, brother, drive safely. uh, mm, it's very dangerous sometimes. So yeah, thank you so much for being a part of live session. Okay, so what we are actually I do meme coins only. I don't trade BTC Ethereum. I previously bought few like maybe 7 8 years back and spot BTC, Litecoin, and Ethereum and Dash as well. So, but I just trade meme coins just like this one, HUSDT. There is another coin, Truth USDT. So these two, three, four pairs actually I'm trading very frequently. So yeah, that's what I do actually every day. And on almost every weekday actually, not on weekends because the markets are very volatile on weekends as well. But overall, crypto market is, of course, it's a very volatile market, so be safe and yeah, do your own research before you open any position. So sometimes I get stuck as well, as you guys have seen yesterday. I was in this trade and still stuck. Yeah. And it's just hovering around my break even. One of the trade is also went bad actually. It went to minus $200. It's still in process, but I'm not closing that one because my discipline is I can book 2%. Almost that's 600 something around. So maybe it will not fall down to that position, but sure it has a good sign to go up. Actually, what should I do? What should I address? Let me tell you my strategy for selecting the meme coin or any coin. I must say. What I do is actually I just select the coin which are already on the lower side of their prices or their ranges already. So you can select any of that coin and just open long positions from there. Don't open short positions. You don't need to open short positions because it's those coins are already hovering around on their low marks. There are thousands of them. So I'm just trading like two, three these pairs since maybe 2 3 months. So I'm gaining very good profit from this one. Actually, if we talk about this pair especially, so I am just trading like maybe three more than 3 months when it just got listed on all of exchanges. So I just started trying, and it went back, and it gave me a good loss in one trade. Then I was just very worried about that. Okay, so what should I do? So I just started opening the only long positions on the lower side of their prices. So if something goes wrong and you cannot judge where you can put your stop loss, still you will be in a safe hands if you open your trade with using only 1 or 2% of your capital and use 5 to 10x the leverage from the market. So that's the way you can protect yourself. At least sometimes, oh, even it happened with me. Like once my trade got stuck and I opened in the futures using 20x leverage, I think, and it went for 3 months in the negative, and still it was just in process. And after 3 months, it got positive, and I made very small amount in that. So, but I was using like I think I opened that with just with 2% of my capital. So, uh, but I recommend you to just select the coin which are already on the lower side of their prices. So it's a very easy way. People are not telling like these things. I have not seen even a single uh, big influencers which are doing trading and having a very big portfolios and having a very big fan followings as well. They are not telling these things. These are very basic things everybody can understand now. So we just make strategy, and it's very easy, I must say. I hope you understand that. Uh, you can select any meme coin, any coin. Not the meme coin. You can select BTC, but of course those are already on the higher side of their prices. It's not recommended, but for sure the dominance of BTC is already higher on the higher side. And if one day the dominance of altcoin season comes up and you will be rich, of course, maybe in a one day or two. And if you can afford to open any trade and keep it for maybe longer period of time. So I have made good profit in 3 4 5 trades maybe. So yeah, XRP apart from That's for, I think you have these coins in your spot account, or maybe if you're using in futures, because in futures, if you are just me point, sorry, yeah, maybe. Yeah, if you're holding that in spot, so yeah, you can keep it for a long period of time as well. So it's a good thing. Maybe in future you will get good profit in spot, but futures gives you profit in daily basis. In spot, you can just make that amount of profit maybe in years sometimes. That's a good thing actually. You can, if you are in profit and if you have withdrawn your capital from the market, so it's a good thing. I suggest everyone, if you have added like just $100 and made $200, so just withdraw 100 at least. So you are just in safe hands. At least you have withdrawn your capital from the market. So I, one of the guy was just mentioning you are more of like a motivational speaker instead of a trader. So yeah, BTC. For now, I brother, actually, it's BTC dominance is already on 58%. So it's not getting like maybe a single percent from like maybe 2 3 months, 4 months almost now. It's just hovering around the same percentage of. So it's already dominating the market. So maybe we cannot judge. Even we were expecting the last quarter of the last year should have been the like alt season, but it never happened. So that's the volatility actually what I was talking about. Yeah. So yeah, Diana, let me tell you my story actually. What I have done, I have started crypto in 2023, 4, 5, 3, 4. Yeah, 20 in start of 2020. I did forget dates. So I still remember that it has been like 3 years, more than 3 years now. So first 2 years was loss and loss. I have got a big losses. Like every trade got liquidated. And even the first trade, I just tried to make $1, maybe $2. I made one, I think few dollars, and I was just very happy. Whoa, that's a quick way to make money. And I was using all of my portfolio and using 50x 10 and 100x leverages from the from the market. Which no, actually nobody told me. My friend even told me that should not be doing that way. So, but I have lost a lot first 2 years. Then I just started making, okay, no, no, it's not the right way. Even one of my cousin, actually, cousin brother, he just opened a position in, I think Seoul, yeah, and he just added $1,000, and then just in maybe 2 minutes, the value just moved up, and he was using 100x leverage, and he was not knowing like what he's doing. He was just following me. He just saw me doing that. So, and his trade went to $5,000. I said, wow, what a big profit. So what should we do? Actually, we were not clear how to close that trade, and in just very next minute, and his $1,000 just went away. He got liquidated, and we were just looking, no, there must be some bug. What just happened? We were having no idea. So I have seen like a lot of people don't have even idea how to select, how to trade futures actually. uh, People use like 50% of their portfolios, 20% of their portfolios. I strongly not recommend. If you are still having $100, just use 1 to 3% of portfolio. Use 5 to 10x leverage. If something goes wrong, set your loss as well. So no, no, no. I'm not good in analysis. Actually, I think I have, and last year I have made very good profit. I have withdrawn my capital. Now I'm living my life, so it's a good thing. Not the way I'm not driving Ferrari and not living very premium life. I don't like that actually. I don't want to show actually, but sometimes yeah, uh, I can do whatever I want to do. It's a good thing. It's a financial freedom somehow. So yeah, I am a good at making strategy for trading actually, but I cannot sometimes analyze the right way. Just like this trade, I have opened this trade yesterday and still stuck, and just hovering around to my break even. So sometimes yeah, actually I am trading this platform since last year. So it's not new platform, Lbank, but it's a good exchange. um Previously I was using Binance, but not now. I'm using this one. But for withdrawing the money, I use Binance TH. I'm living in Thailand, so I just use to withdraw money with Binance TH. So it's very easy to withdraw and deposit USDTs. Actually, I was using Binance, but I still used to withdraw money. Actually, I'm just using this exchange. This is good exchange. I am just happy with that actually. Well, all of them all are almost same. So Binance is good, yeah, and yeah. But I'm using this one as well. So even my last year was actually that's the orthodox thinking what I have been to. Actually, my first 2 years was I was using Binance. I was getting loss. Actually, and they charge more fee. And this trade is this exchange is not charging much fee on futures. So uh, and the last year I got like good portfolio, and one of their representative contacted me. Okay, you are a good trader of our exchange, so we are just going to offer you a referral, so you can just ask your followers. So that's I was already planning to go live, so I said okay, it's a good thing, but I don't want any money from my referrals as well. So you can just give them back. What can you do? So they just offered me, okay, let's ask people to just register using your referral. So we will give them free 50 USDTs, and a lot of people just getting that. Okay, so that's a good thing. Don't need to add your money instead of using their money. So you can, yeah, register using that link as well. So it's already on the link as well. So they just gave me like few days back. So yeah, it's a thing actually. But I preferably using this one. So when since I started using this exchange, I was in profit, so I was gaining good profit. So I feel like okay, this is lucky for me. So that's what I'm using it. Yeah. Oh, okay, perfect. It's a good sign. If you are in profit, so you are in 1% of the people, smart people, who are making money, because we are fighting against smart people of the market. So yeah. So of course we are getting money from their pockets. So they are already very smart. They will get someday back, but they gets it. But yeah, it's a part of it. That's the beauty of trading actually. So yes, we are. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so this trade, I am hoping for this. It's not filling up the fair value gap for now. So I have a good hope for this one maybe to go. It can come down to a little bit, but it will go. You see, it's just hovering around 158. So I have just mentioned earlier. Okay, and the RSI is, yeah, in favor, still favor. So maybe. Oh, thank you so much. It's nice to talk with people actually. If you get some messages and respond on that, so it feels like we're just communicating, sharing our knowledge, sharing our experiences. It's a good thing. I hope you are making good money. And few of my friends, they are still in loss. We are just trying to recover them from their losses, and I'm on the way of that actually. And we started trading, doing together. All of I think we are four friends. Yeah, four and one my cousin. So five of us started futures 3 years back, and all of went us went wrong, and so we got liquidated every time. So every time we get message, oh my god, I'm liquidated again. So actually, I just made this try. I just came up, okay, let's start doing making small amount of money instead of doubling your profit, doubling your like portfolio every day. So yeah, I always suggest people to compound their money. Compounding is the way you can just make wealth. And I am also on the way of trying to make some wealth, but no, I'm not wealthy yet, but still it's I'm on the better side of all other traders in my community as well. So now they're just starting following me, and I'm just telling them, okay, open the trade from here and open this much margin. Don't use big leverages. So now almost 95% of trades went well. So yeah, yeah, I am on Telegram, but not using that much. Actually, I use my WhatsApp channel. I have just created my WhatsApp channel and started using that. We have like maybe 30, 40 followers in that. So you can click on the link. You can just send me message on TikTok as well. So if you need any help, I'll be there. I'll be glad to help you. I'm on Telegram as well. Yeah, there's a link in bio, so you can click on that. So that's the way you can connect with me as well. So yeah. Okay, so see, that's what I was just talking about. Sure, sure. You can just send me a message on TikTok as well, so I will accept that message. People try to connect with me. I have like now few of friends. They are just uh, being my friends from TikTok, so we are just communicating every day. Okay, okay. How can we? Uh, okay, I will note it down. Sure. Let me. Okay, I have just started following you back. Okay, okay, I have just. Uh, sure, I will. So I am just at the neck of my break even. Suggest me what should I do? Uh, Actually, I'm new to TikTok. I was not using TikTok much. I will figure it out. Okay, I will connect with you. What is that? Okay. Okay, sure, I will do that. Uh, After the session, I will just send you a message. Okay, so so my break even is actually resistance for now. So there's a resistance at my break even. I don't know. What should I do? Ah, sure, sure. It's nice talking with you. Thank you. Okay. So you guys can see, my break even is now resistance. It's not a good sign, but uh, let's see if it goes right. Maybe. Uh, okay, let me share you on bigger screen. My system battery was not charged, so I just did that. Okay, okay. I hope you guys can see the screen now, maybe, if I'm not wrong. And yes, let me connect my mouse. Okay. All right. So yes, if now you guys can see a better view, I hope I'm hoping for the best. Uh, yeah, I always be very careful with talking with talking with anyone. So yeah, I have a very better understanding of talking people now, at least. I one more thing, brother. Actually, I always mention that don't give money to anybody. Don't take money from anybody. So that's my strategy. I have learned this in my life. So if you give your money, or if somebody wants to give you money, no, don't take that money. And let's do trade for you. No, let them do trading by yourself. Don't trade for anyone. trade for yourself only. That's what I always mention to my community, my friends, my family. So yeah, you are already. Can I join what? Sorry, you are already in the live session. Really, brother, actually, I feel bad for the people losing money through the scam at least. Pre-sale, how, like, what just happened? It's bad to read like you have lost some. The voice call, sorry. Oh, okay. So you must be Red Bulled. Okay, yeah. Yeah, there are a lot of fake like projects launching every day, and even even I think initially I think I have started uh, like participating in pre-sales in 2020, I think 2020 or 2021. So actually, I don't have call thing actually. This is what I'm just doing live trades. What kind of call you want, brother? Yeah. Um, uh, Brother, actually, what I understand is actually just if you are on the right platform. Even one of my friend in 2017 or 2018, I don't remember the exact. Uh, there was an exchange. Even I was on that exchange, Cryptopia. So that just their owner, I think their share partner just ran away and took my money as well. But not that big money. That was I think $2,000 in that account. And even one of my friend, when exchange was there, he logged on some fake exchange and and he just got few emails. Okay, your funds are transferring. So he said, okay, I'm not doing anything. So it happens like, so you want to okay, co-host the call? No, sorry, actually, I'm not doing that. Sorry, sorry, don't mind, please. Please don't mind. So, so yeah, it happens. Like it happened with me as well. So sorry, actually, I don't feel like. Please don't mind, brother. So that's what I was telling you is actually my from one of my friend he lost like even I lost 2,000 almost $2,000 were there. I had few coins on spot, and the exchange went away. It was the exchange was from New Zealand and had a good like profile at that time, and later on I just got an email even like after 3 4 years back. I was getting email that the government is involved and just trying to recover the losses of, but I forgot my login and password like after 3 4 years. So I when I was I saw a few emails. I just keep deleting every email. So so I kept deleting that, so I would not be able to get that money back. So it happens, yeah. If you like, that was an exchange actually, which was a big exchange at that time, and I was having an account on Binance, and there are multiple exchanges. So yeah, be safe. That's what I always mention, that be safe on registering to any exchange or anything like that. Always just check their profile first, then because we are adding our life savings in these things and our hard-earned money, and we are just trying to invest. So be safe, guys. Okay, so see, this fall is not a good sign. Uh, it's making the bad pattern now, maybe, and we are in a bad shape for now. We will go in positive someday. Someday, maybe not someday, maybe today at some time. Okay, let's talk about truth. Okay, so this coin has a potentially it went like it's just moving up. We can open the short position. Yes. If we see the RSI, If we see the RSI of the 5 minutes time frame, no, 5 minutes is not in favor. Let's talk about 15. 1 hour should be in favor. Yes, 1 hour is 69. Yeah, above 70, almost 70. 1 day is not in favor. So it's just hovering around somewhere in mid of its price. So maybe it's not, it would not be a good thing to open the short position, but we can take the chance. Okay, let's take a chance. I am not in the favor of opening short position, but uh, uh, now it's being so long, so I think I should have to open at least. Okay, I have just opened the short position. Let's see if we can. Let's make like 20, $30 in this trade, maybe. Let's make $40 if we could be able to make this profit. Let's see. Okay, so this is what going to be. Oh, okay. So what my strategy is, I can yeah yeah sure. Let me check Sol as well. I'm not trading Sol actually, but I'm just okay. Let's talk about Sol. Sol 1 minute time frame. That's the 5 minute time frame. Oh, what is happening? Okay. And that's the 15 minutes time frame. Let's talk about 1 hour. Sol is moving up just because if you see BTC is just hovering around to 94,000 K, 94,000 mark. So that's I think that's the reason for what just happening. Let me just refresh my. Okay. So if you see Sol, yeah, Sol has uh if we see this candle, you see the highest was like 143 and the lowest and it's hovering on 137. Uh let me check on trading view as well. Mm, okay, SOL. Let's so what is that? Oh, mm, Defi. What's the Defi project? Okay. Let's talk about Soul. Oh no, not this one. Soul BTC. No, this Soul USDT. Okay, so here we are. If we see, it's already. Let's talk about the 5 minutes time frame. Strong highs. So yeah, weak lows. Yeah, as per my understanding, it's not a financial advice. As per my understanding, it will go a little bit more down. But do your own research, brother. Yeah, weak, strong lows. No, strong lows on 15 minutes. Weak highs. Okay, no, sorry. As per the moment, actually, if we see the moment, if we do the back test, so it's just having the momentum, like bullish momentum for now. So mm, that's what I think. Maybe it can go a little bit more up. There's a strong low means it's not may it may not come to below that mark, but it doesn't mean that it's 100% right. But on the lower side, uh, so there's a support I must say at 136, maybe 136.1215, 136, yeah, 136.50, somewhere around there, 136.50. So that could be support for short period of time, not for the longer period of time. If we see, let's talk about 1 hour. strong low. For the 1 hour, it's on very low. Weak highs means that it can go may a little bit more up. Mm, weak highs. Uh, you can short that from 143 if it goes back to that mark, but for very short period of time. And it will go to that. It can go to that mark maybe like it may take like 2, 3, 4 hours, maybe more than that. But if we see the 5 minutes time frame, so yes, let's talk about 5 minute time frame. So yeah, 142 is the high. No, 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 not 140, 143. Not sure. Maybe because if we see the 5 minutes time frame, yes, there are chances for this one to come a little bit more down. But how much down? For sure, 136 is for sure. It can come down to that mark if we see the indicator as well. So uh, if we follow the indicator, but not sure. Okay. Mm, mm, okay. So yes, um, uh, not from here actually. I'm not going to open any kind of position from here, at least from this mark. Uh, we should get a good confirmation. Then we can, if we see the 1 hour, 1 minute time frame. So yes, there is. We can open short position, but not from here. Maybe from 138 to 120 somewhere around there. Maybe. Okay. All right. What's going on here is okay. So what we were trading before, we were checking each this one. Okay, so what we see is we are so with this change of character shows like we can open short position from here. We could have make like very small profit, but for the short period that was for the short period of time. But if we see the 5 minutes time frame, it's showing a good strong signal to go a little bit. It can go maybe a little bit more up for the 5 minute time. There is a strong low that means it can go. It cannot go more down to that, but that's just uh, a sign. It's not a sure confirmation. So always just don't fall for that. Just do your research as well sometimes. Do some back test as well. Okay, if you see previous, let's talk about this one. This is the strong low sign, and when it was before that, uh, see there is no sign because it's showing on that mark as well. Uh, okay. One more thing, actually, I should have to tell you. Uh, we are talking about change of character. If you see that, this thing. So that's the thing where we can decide, okay, we can open the long position or short position. It's a 5 minutes time frame. And uh, if you get this kind, that's the strong indication. This is the strong indication. It can it for sure it can go up a little bit more because there's a weak high. So surely it can go up. There are chances for this one to go up. If we see change of character was here, and it appeared in this candle and it went down to this price somewhere down there. Then it went back up and it just fall down. There was no indication. Then it went back up to this price, went back down, and when it crosses this line, there was a sign again. So you could have opened the long position from here, and we could have make like good profit in like maybe 1 hour. But if we do some back test from here, see, that's a change of character here as well. So I have just studied this indicator like maybe 2 3 days. So it's showing a good strong signal to go up. Not the strong one, but it's going up and it went back up. It and the indicator shows this sign in this candle. So that means if you see it, it can fall down a little bit, but it went back up again and again and again and more up. So we could have make. Yeah, that's what I'm also just, brother, I'm just also checking this one. I'm just doing the backtest. Maybe on not some of the indicators, right? Some of the coins it does not work well, but let's talk about this pair. Yeah, here if we see, it's not always the right. That's what I was already mentioning this one as well. So here, if you see CHOCH correct change of character shows confirmation here, but it just went back down and it changes again. So I think we can close the trade instead of keeping it for the long period of time and change of character. If it comes up back up, so what could we do? We can we were just booking loss in 2 trades. So this change of character shows as a good indication. I think that also depends upon if you see the momentum of the coin plus volume plus there are multiple factors. You can just choose as many as possible. So I think yes, it's and for but I think the strong low and weak high and weak low or strong high and weak low, these are just working well maybe for this one. I don't know if I'm wrong or right. Let's see where does it takes us. Uh, okay. So I am just hoping for this one. Actually, this week high is actually my break even. So I am just stuck in this trade again today. I don't want to kept stuck maybe for the long period of time. And this trade is also just going on the wrong side, maybe. Oh, that's 15 minutes. Where's my where is my order? Open order is closing the acha, oh, I set my DP, I set my DPD, here actually. Okay, sure, it will come down, maybe. Okay, so what we are trading on the other one, wow, it's a bad thing. This one, okay. So this one is having a good indication. If we follow the indicator, yeah, it's showing a good sign. And if we see the RSI, I always use the RSI. So RSI of 1 hour is not in favor. Maybe it cannot go more up. Maybe it will fall down. But if we see the one day RSI, it's 43. It's just hovering in mid where somewhere. And if we see the 1 hour time frame, it's on top side. And if we see the 15 minutes time frame, it's also on the top side. But not always, yeah. If we see 5 minutes and 1 minute, so it's I think I should have to close my trade at break even at least, and let's grab this opportunity from the downside again. Maybe. What do you suggest, brother? What do you think? And what's going on here? Yes. Yeah. Just go away a little bit more up. I will close the trade actually. I will close the trade at break even. I wish I will get that opportunity. Yes. See these big candles. I love these candles actually. Okay. Just go a little bit up so I would be able to close you, my baby. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, my feeling is the same actually. If I would be at this price right now, I would open the short position, but I'm not in favor of opening the short positions in these coins actually. But I was telling you in the start of session, I went to $200 positive in this trade, but I did not close. Even I was just watching that. I was just okay. No, my TP is just near to that. Okay, let it hit the TP, so I would be able to show you guys. Okay, I have made $200 in this trade, but I just it just went wrong. Well, so from where did you place the short position at? From what price? If you are in, how could you be like, from where did you do that? I think you have opened the short position 0.157 somewhere around there, maybe, or maybe more on the downside. Mm, okay, 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 okay. I think yes, it will go up, but till where? Okay, let's let's talk with indicator. Show us like what do you think? Let's do that for 1 minute time frame. Weak high, brother, weak high. Maybe it can go up, but not sure. Mm, trader client. Sorry, sorry, sir. I don't understand your message, GM. What does it mean? Okay, because if we see the RSI, I think yeah, 0.157. That's what I have just mentioned you. Okay, no worries. There are chances for this one to come down because it's if we see RSI, let me show you on this one. So yeah, there are good chances. for this one too, because the RSI on the 15 minutes time frame is also on above 70. So that's what we follow. If we wanted to open any short position, so RSI should be above 70 on 15-minute 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame is also in favor for opening the short position, but um, anything can be happen, you know. Maybe you can get, but I just want to close this trade. I want to close this trade on break even. Uh, I am not getting an opportunity. See, it's just coming to my position side. See, let me show you. That's that's it's just came near to my entry point, so my break even. So that's what happens sometimes. And that happened with me yesterday on my TP as well. It came to this price and just fall back down. It was above $200. It was showing me on the screen. I thought let's close the trade, and I was just saying, okay, no, let's keep it. Maybe it will just hit by itself, and it's just one big fall down, and yeah, everything went wrong. Well, that's a part of it. What can we do? We cannot do anything. We can just wait. We can just wait and see. Oh, see this big candle. It's an positive, and what do you think, brother? Uh, don't clo uh, uh, I don't know what policy you have made for yourself. What's the discipline you have made? But be safe, brother. Be safe. So, okay, it's going up. It's a good sign. What do you suggest? Should I put my stop loss at break even, or just book $100 from this trade? Oh, you're using 5% of your money. No worries, bro. 157 is very achievable. 157 is very achievable. And if we follow the RSI, of course, not 100%, we goes 100% on the right side. I can go wrong from here if one big red candle falls down here and I'm not closing my position here. Maybe it can go wrong again, but I'm not in the favor of opening the short position on these kind of meme coins actually. So in a good profit, I am hoping for the best. At least give me $50 so I will feel better at least. Oh, it's good to hear that you have reached your destination. Okay. Nice talking. Nice. It feels good for me, good to me, like you hear and you see the live session. And come again. We will talk. We will discuss some more strategies and more few things to go. Of course, I have just started. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, I'm just curious to see if I would be able to make $50 from this trade. It's already on 30, but I don't know. I don't have good feeling. I think I should have to close this trade from here. I can grab this trade again from on one and next fall again. What do you think? Let's close this trade on $30 at least, maybe. 28, 29, 29, 29, 30, 30. No? I'm just going to book $30 in this trade, maybe, or $20, or $10, maybe. Let's keep it continue. Maybe. Hmm, what is this? Okay. Uh, so that's what I was just talking about. Weak high and strong low is a good indication. Actually, I have just experienced this one. So maybe I'm not right, but I that's my experiences. What I have experienced. Hmm. Okay, let's book $30, I think. I'm just going to close the trade. I'm just going to go. If this crosses this candle, then not. Or I can put my stop loss to $20 as well. So, okay, let's put my stop loss to $20 instead of, if this crosses this candle this wick, then surely it will go up. It can hit my stop loss again as well, but I am hoping for the best. It's on $30 positive. Mm, what should we do? We can wait. Oh no. Ah, it just hit my stop loss. Well, still $20 positive. So okay, it's a good thing. Still we are in positive. Instead of, it took all my day to just give me $20. Yeah, it happens sometime. Okay, so now what will I do is I will open a long position from where? Let me check again. Mm, okay. All right. I think I just want to support you, brother. But I just don't want to open the long position. I want to open the long position again, but we'll do that from maybe from 157, from where you short the position actually. But let's see if we can get that chance. Sorry. Hmm. Mhm. Sorry. Uh, okay. So what is it? I have just got an email. Yeah, yeah, it happens, brother. No worries. It's a part of it. Surely it will come to that price as well for sure. I have a good hope for this one actually. We are hoping for the best. It's already on the higher side, you see. If we see this mark 1 hour time frame, yeah, it's already hovering on the higher side of today's price. Yeah, today's high was no, actually 161. Yeah, it's not on the higher side, but 151 is the lower side. Let's see where does it takes us. And what's going on? What's going on with this one? Yeah, I'm telling you one more thing, brother. What I feel for this coin actually, if there would be a big fall again, and maybe in couple of minutes, that's what I feel about this coin as well, and had a good feeling always, because when it moves like we do the back test again, let's talk about. And if it goes up just like this, then it goes up again, 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 and it falls down again. I will show you. Let's do some backtest. See, these are the big candles, and it's just started falling down, 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 down. See, just like that. It's just moving this pattern, and will just fall down. Maybe go a little bit more up, then will fall down again. See, not this one, not this one, not this situation, not this situation, not this one. See, this can go up and just falling down again. So let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, see, if we see the 5 minutes time frame, so currently it's moving this way, and just falling down again, falling down. The big fall can give you a good profit as well sometimes. So all we need to do is to have just patience and just set your loss as well at least. Okay, that's the loss you can just afford to lose if something goes wrong. So see these big falls. We just want these big falls from here, and that's the way I will open the long position from 157, somewhere around there, from this mark, maybe 157. Hmm. Oh, my other trade is also in process. Let's talk about. Oh yeah, it's just coming down, 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 down. I just took the trade against the trend. Actually, if you see the trend is just showing the bullish momentum. But why did I do that? Okay, no worries. Hmm. Yeah, this one will fall down to at least this mark. I have a good feeling for this one as well. Not it does not work with feeling. Actually, we should have a look. Okay. See, it's a weak high still, but the indicator is also showing for the short position, but we will not fall for that for sure. Let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. Hmm, equal highs are here. Equal highs are break structure and just hmm. There is no clear indication yet, actually. Maybe, maybe. Let's hope for the best. Now I'm more curious about your trade, actually. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, we are hoping for the best, actually. 6 followers on that. Just starting. Okay, it's on break even. I think I should have to get it from the top again. What was the top one? Yeah, uh, yeah, I'm just looking for this trade actually. I have just opened another trade as well. This is my other truth in this pair actually, if you see that. So it's already in process, and for now it's in positive, just 10, $15. Uh, I just want to just grab that opportunity, that fund from the top again. Okay, let's close this one. Let's just I was just about to close this one. I just wanted to grab using the RSI this one. If we open a a long position from here, then maybe we can just grab in two, three, four candles, a small amount of profit. But you see, oh, went back up again. I was just about to close that. Well, yeah, yeah, it's a part of it. Yes, that's right. Let's see how much can we get from this one. I'm feeling a little bit cold. Let me turn off the AC. Okay, so I have just got the email from the exchange as well. Okay, they are just having a corporate competition for the participants. Okay. Um, mm, oh, okay. See, that's a big bump. What I don't like this one. I actually. Um. mm, Okay. So yeah, that this happens sometimes. What we can do, we can just wait and see. Uh, okay, I just got some messages. Hmm. Okay, just fall down a little bit more, so I would love to make very small profit from this. Uh, okay, another thing we can do the DCA. My position size is just 100 and how much? Just $109. It's not even the 1% of my portfolio. Um, it's 0.3%. I just want to increase the position size, but on top of this, I can do DCA. Yes, I can do DCA if the price goes back to this mark again. Otherwise, let's keep it in the same way, the way it's going on. Maybe. So yes. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, see, it's just moving. Okay, what happened with that one? Let's talk about previous this coin. I see, brother, that's what I'm talking about. You will have a good chance to exit the trade for sure. Uh, but for that, maybe it will take a little bit more long, but sure it will fall down to at least now there is a support. Support should be somewhere around here, maybe. Yeah, here. And that's why I just set up my TP stop loss at that mark. Brother, just try to grab that opportunity. If you just get that opportunity, just close that trade and just I am in favor of opening the long position, just these kind of coins actually, because these are meme coins and don't have like so 15 minutes or hmm, I have a feeling for this one may it can go up. I just want to open a long position again, but I'm just waiting for the right time. Let's put my position to 1516. Okay, I'm just going to limit an order using 1% of my portfolio at the price of 157 and going to open a long position using 1% of my capital. So okay, so that's the limit order. I have just set up my limit order at this price, and another 1% I will keep it to do DC as well. So okay, but bro, I hope you will close it in positive for sure. Maybe you can close that on break even. It can fall down also. That's not a financial advice. I just don't want you to lose money actually. So that's what I want actually. And sometimes if you, that's what I am very afraid of opening the short positions in these kind of coins actually. If one big pump comes up and everything will be wiped out. So that's why I'm scared of doing long position in these coins. Short position, sorry. So maybe someday they will go up surely, and the day will come when the alt season will be knocking the doors, but not now. BTC, let me talk about BTC dominance. What we talk about is, yeah, okay. Here is the BTC dominance. Yes, alt season index. No, yeah, BTC is just dominating still, since like maybe, yeah, it's just at the same percentage of the dominance. It's 58.2%, and alts are 29%. So of course, BTC is dominating. Ethereum is on 12%, the market cap. So yes, and fear index is 49. It's a good sign for long trades, but not sure. It's actually just neutral. So not fear, not greed in the market. Actually, the fear is dropping, so that's why it's just getting neutral. So not much people are buying maybe, but fear is just decreasing. In May 2025, on 23rd of May, the greed was 76. It was on the highest side of it. And November 2025, on 22nd November, it was 10. That was the extreme fear in the market. And it was just because after October fall, and BTC was just keep falling down. So that was the reason. So yeah, Okay, so what do you think actually? My truth position is in positive side, just not going up actually. Yeah, so it can make a head and shoulder pattern. It can fall down from here a little bit, at least till my TP as well. So yes, there are chances. For my other trade is stuck. Zeus actually, I just traded one trade in that coin and just got stuck. But still, not losing anything. Mm. Yesterday we have just made $50. That was a very small amount, but okay, better than losing anything. Okay, okay, okay. See, it's just on my break even right now, and I am just hoping for the best. So, yes, okay, I have gotten message as. Hmm. Okay, so price is just hovering around that mark. Okay, meanwhile, let's talk about this one. If we can grab that opportunity again, what I want is I already have placed the limit order. Maybe yes, if it falls down to that price. Let's see, let's see. Mhm. That's one cool. I trade like three, four, five trades sometimes, maybe sometimes more. But no, previously I was doing crazily, but in the mid of I think in start after June, July of 2025, I started doing like three trades, two, sometime one trade, and just take small because my capital was small. So as far my capital is increasing, so I'm more scared now. So it happens. So just trying to make 1% every day. Just trying to make 1%. Sometimes I make 2%, sometimes I make 3%, sometimes I make no percent. Just like that. Yesterday I have just made $50, so it's not even like 1%. Uh, okay. See, brother, this is the fall actually I'm just talking about. I just mentioned I had a feeling for this one because it's just if we do the back test, this coin has a very good potential of these kind of movements. Yeah, I am just trying to overcome this fear as well always, but I just that's what we face actually in this market. And if somebody overcomes this thing, they can make good money. But actually, what it depends upon us actually. We set up a target. I myself set up my target. Okay, let's make 1% and stay away. And something goes wrong. Okay, let's keep it away. and 2% of my capital what I can close. But most of the time my trade got keep gets stuck, and maybe takes like 3 4 5 days sometimes. One trade I have just told you it took like 3 months, but still it was not negative 2% of my portfolio. I set up my stop loss at 2%, but it was just hovering around to like 1.3%, 1.5%. I have just calculated that, and it went well at the end. That's right. That's right. You're right in this. Um, that's what. That's why in the start of that's where this is what I always mention. Okay, take 2% of your capital as a loss instead of losing all of your capital. So I always set up my stop loss to 2% of my capital, whatever my capital is. Like if it's $100, let's set it to lose $2. So, and I have lost 5 6 times because I was not taking big leverages from the market. People are taking like 50x, 100x, 75x. I have seen people that taking very big leverages and just losing money in just a trade, and making good money as well, but it's not always they're losing money. But I'm not that kind of trader, that big-hearted trader. I'm just keeping myself safe. It's a hard money. I have spent 3 years of my life. I have just given 3 years of my life in this thing. So I'm just trying to just, you know, grab small profits and keep myself safe. And okay, if something is wrong, okay, no worries. It's not always you take profit. Sometimes you lose as well, so it's a part of it. You are losing, someone is winning. If someone is winning, losing, you are winning. Of course, it's a part. It's give and take market. It depends upon you how you just take it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, protect your capital. Stay in the market instead of the market kicks you out from the market. That's what I always talk about. It happened like 2 years was very depressing, very like uh I cannot even tell you what I have been through. I was not expecting, okay, what just happened? No, market was in favor, everything was good. What just happened? Losing money every day. I I I I was in depression some kind of. So, but fortunately I started making some okay. That's the I think I think my I must say this again. 2% of losing capital is the key for myself actually to that's why I'm in the market since last 1 year, and never went away from the market. So that's the key actually. That's the key. That's what I have learned from the market. Keep yourself in the market instead of losing all of your money. Take 2% loss, stay away from the market. Let's start it tomorrow. Instead of let's make it back again. Revenge trade, don't revenge trade, just trade. Control your psychology, control your emotions. That's all you need. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah. I, one more thing I always mention, the smart people are those people actually who learn from others' mistakes. So we have done a lot of mistakes, and I always just if I always recommend people, okay, just do this way. This is the way I have learned from the market, and I am in a good profit, and I can show you. And I have shown people, the people around me, my cousins, my brothers, my friends, this is the way you can make good profit. Even if I can make it, I'm not a good analyst. I cannot like judge 100% perfect. Okay, where the coin is going, where the price is going up, price is going down, what's happening in the market. I'm not that pro, but still, the strategy I have made kept me, gave me a good profit. So that's what I have been uh, since last year. So it's a good thing for me, thanks God. And that's what I have learned, and I'm trying to tell people, okay, so just do that way. So that's the way you can also earn money. Be safe. That's what I always talk about. It's a very volatile market, and yeah, that's what I always mention. That's what you're right at this time. I have seen people just falling for, okay, let's double our profit every day. Don't do that, brother. You cannot do that every day. And I have seen people, they made it. They were like, even one of my friend, he was started doing trading and he double hit his capital. He just and put it like I think $1,000 and he made 2,000. See, I have made $2,000. I told him, okay, you have made 200. It's a good thing. $2,000. Okay, it's a good thing. Just took your money back from the market. No, no, I will make more. I will make it 4,000 tomorrow. Okay, I said okay. And the next day he just came to me. Okay, I have lost 500. Okay, still you're in $500 positive. Take $1,000 from the market. No, no, I will double it tomorrow. Okay, and the next day he lost all. So, so this is the part of actually, yeah, it's all about your risk management. So how do you manage your risk? So see, brother, yeah, your entry price is just about to be there, and I am going to open the long from here, and you should you understand now what where to close that trade. It's just coming back to that price. I could have opened the short position, but I'm not in favor. You know, I'm telling you already. So not doing it. Uh, yeah, uh, it can it if your price is in positive, you can put your stop loss at break even, or you can keep your trade continue maybe. Now you think now you already understand very better way in the market movement and the things. But I am taking the long position from 0.157 using 1% of my portfolio, and if my entry goes wrong, so I will do DCA at 0.15 sorry 0.152 somewhere around there. Yeah, I will do DCA at that price if something goes wrong. I actually not lost $200 yesterday. I was in positive $200 yesterday and just did a mistake. I was just waiting my TP to be hit, but it did not happen. So instead of regretting, just take the profit as much as you can. Oh, what just happened with the truth? Truth is also C. Um Yeah, there are chances for this one to come down a little bit more, but I'm not in the favor of opening short position because it's already hovering around its lower side of its price. But why I did is because there I was unable to open any position, so I just did it that way. It went well at this price. What was that actually? Okay, let's keep it continue. Let's do some back test. Let's see the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, it will come to my TP as well. For sure it will. Because there is no not much volume is there. Positions 5.6 million. Sorry. Let's see. How get can we get this position? Okay. All right. So the price is just hovering around to my break even. Maybe I will be able to grab that opportunity to close the trade. Maybe. Let me check another thing for you guys. Yes, it will come to that price for sure. And mm, okay, so what's going on? Uh, what do you think? Like, should we close the trade here? I think, uh, and take the next move again. We can, it's not always we can just grab the top or bottom, maybe. But yeah, sometimes it goes well, sometimes it goes wrong. It is what it is, it happens, and let's see how much can we make. We have just set up our TP to $40. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Mm. My position, my margin size is very, very small in this trade actually. So, uh, okay, let's talk about that position as well. Okay, there are chances for this one to come to my pre limit order price. Sure, there are chances. Mm, so here it's there is a support somewhere around there. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just waiting for. Okay, we have already a limit our order. Maybe we will grab that position. Let's see. The RSI is. Let's do some back test. Okay, okay, okay. Mm, maybe it will take a little bit more time to come to that price, but sure it will. Opening that position with $100, oh sorry, 1% of my capital, and so which is $300 now, and will keep $100, sorry, 1% of my capital, which is also same amount of capital for doing DCA. So yes, that's the way, that's the money I can afford to lose in a single day, in a day, and making just 1%, trying to make 1% every day. Let's see. Okay, what is it talking about? Okay, weak lows means there are good chances. Now that converted to strong high in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. If we see the 5 minutes time frame, yes, weak high. Okay, on the 5 minutes it's weak high, and the 1 minute time frame it's showing strong high. So maybe not. Okay, let's see. Uh, uh, Thank you so much for your likes and comments. It's an honor. Thank you for coming back online again. Okay, and yes, we have. I think, yeah, I think we should wait instead of taking any position. Maybe. Mm, what do you think? It's showing CHOCH means change of character can open the long position, but I don't know. Mm, hmm. See, this is what I'm talking about. Uh, Fab when life. Okay. Um, I already discussed my strategy of choosing the coin as well as seeing the charts actually. There are a lot of indicators you can use. I'm now one of our live uh, follower also told me about this indicator. I have just seen that brief before, but I did not follow that. It's a good indicator. You can use that smart SMC, smart money concept. You can use that, but majorly for short-term scalping, use RSI. RSI is already in a list. You can check that on exchange as well. So they offer you already. It's linked with TradingView as well. So RSI, I have I just preferably to see the RSI. Yeah. For short-term scalping, I use 20/80 ratio. So what is 20? I hope you should know. For opening the long position, if the RSI is below 20, so I prefer to open the long position from that mark. But one more thing, you should just understand the momentum of coin. If coin is just going up and you're getting an opportunity, it's the momentum is bullish, then yes, you should. Um, Someone is just not talking good and got the flagged comment confirmation. Okay, so that's what I do actually, and moreover, I have just I just told that I just take the coin which are already on the lower side of their prices. I just select those kind of meme coins mostly, and and try to open only long positions instead of opening the short positions. So that's the way at least you can protect yourself. These are already on the lower side of their prices and having very not big volume in those coins as well. So that's the way actually you can just protect yourself. And those are the coins actually I used to prefer to select those coins. And it's very easy, like you just spend some time, you can understand how to do that. So that's my strategy to select the coin. Yes. Mhm. See, that's one that's just coming down. This coin, this pair is just moving, uh, hovering to not on the lower side of its price, but you see that's a 1 hour time frame. So you have a good understanding, like you can for short-term scalping for sure, not for the long period of for intraday trade. For the short-term scalping, it's on the very right price. If I'm just waiting, I have just set up my limit order to 0.157 for this coin specifically. I have just seen the movement of this one. So just do a little bit back test, check the momentum, check the volume, and yeah, that's it. Uh, yeah, thank you so much for sharing my live session with, yeah. Uh, So you also do crypto, Diana? Yeah, you also do crypto, or you also do forex or gold as well? What you prefer to do? Gold is just going crazy nowadays from last few months actually, I must say. Oh, okay, okay. So you are just doing crypto, not gold, not forex, nothing like that. Okay. I started gold like um, two 2 weeks back, but just lost just $500 and just okay. I thought okay, I will have to do more work on that. But gold is good. Oh, okay, it's good, good for you. Uh, Actually, PM is not the solution, so I cannot like learn teach everybody in their individual. So you can just join my channel. You can just join my group as well. I come online every day. Uh, so guys, see that's just grabbed my position, and that's the candle I was waiting for. And maybe it can go a little bit down, but I have a good hope for this one to go back up. And we'll try to. I just opened this position with 1% of my portfolio, which is like $300, and that's my real account actually, not my demo account. Okay, so that's what I'm just talking about. You can just click on the link. There is a link in bio. There is a WhatsApp channel group as well, so you can just join the channel. I'm just sharing few strategies and few news about crypto, and we'll start sharing some signals every day, so you can follow that. But do your own research first. Start. It's very easy. It's not much to learn about. It's all how much time you spend on that, and just I started the basic understanding. I just got in like 4 hours. I have sat with my one of my friend, and he just taught me basic understanding of okay, what's crypto futures. Okay, we can. Yes, sure, you can just write down anything. Uh, okay. So, yeah, that's what I was just. Uh, Brother, did you book your profit? Just tell me. Uh, Sorry, not web, well, Rosie. Okay. Have you booked your profit? No. If not, just book it. It's going back up. It will go up, and there are good chances for this one to go up a bit more. Okay, let me charge this one. Okay, so my truth trade is also in positive, and my H trade is also in the positive for now. My one trade is stuck, which is very badly stuck, and it's already on the lower side of its price, so I'm not worried about that. My stop loss is 2% of my capital, mm, so I can lose big money, but okay, that's fine. That's the money I have made from the market. Okay, perfect. Okay, great. Uh, See, I've just grabbed the position. I just put my limit order to 57,157, so I just grabbed that position. Luckily, one big candle gave me that position, and I hope it will go back up. But if we see the pattern, it can come down a little bit more, but surely this one is just going up for sure. And let's see where does it takes us. Hmm, yeah. Why it's not opening? What just happened? Let me check. Something wrong? Uh, there are few followers you can click. What's just happening? Okay, if let me check. I I'm sure. I think this will not allow me. Crypto Alpha. You can search that the same name, Crypto Alpha. Um, but that's a channel actually with the logo. Let me check. I think I cannot comment on. Actually, I'm new to let me check. Just hold on, guys. I can if I would be able to share my channel link on the live stream. Copy link. I hope they will not. TikTok will not block my. Uh, uh, just wait. I'm just trying to. Brother, I have just sent you a message. Replied with your comment if you some comment. Yeah, see, that's they are not allowing me to just share. Okay. You can send me message on TikTok, so I will send you my invitation and that. Okay, so there is a big bump. Sorry. Oh, oh, what just happened? How did how do we close that? Oh, what is this? I have never. Sorry, guys. How do we close that thing? Decline. What is it? I think. How can we close this thing actually? I'm just. That was scary actually. Well, I have never joined with any co-host, unfortunately. I just clicked mistakenly on that. Did you get the invitation code? No. Okay. So what kind of like what's the error you're facing while joining the community. What kind of error? What kind of response from that? Okay, $60. Should I book $60? Okay, let's grab this $60. Okay, guys, I have just grabbed a $60. You can just see order history here. 64. Wow. And just fall back again. 60 for 20. Okay. Not even $100 today. So just in four candles, if you get lucky, you can make good money. Okay, so yes. Mm, I just replied you actually, maybe. What is it? Oh, sorry. I mistakenly invited you. I think no. This will be like one other guy yesterday. He was just also asking me that he was unable to connect with me on WhatsApp. I don't know. There are few followers on WhatsApp, and they just click on the link and join my session. Just let me know what kind of error you're facing. What is it showing like? Oh yeah, I mistakenly did that. Sorry, I was thinking I would be able to send you. You can check that. Okay. Actually, I have never used TikTok like for a long period of time, but not even properly. So I just started live streaming few days back, so that's why I'm new to that. Sorry guys if I have done anything wrong. Okay, so what's wrong with that? Okay. Yeah, just click on the link in bio and you will be directed to Linktree and there is a link of my WhatsApp and when you click on that you will be directed to join my WhatsApp channel. I don't know why you are not getting it. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, so we have grabbed $60 in this trade. Okay, it's a good thing, maybe. All right. What else we can do is I am just waiting for this position to. Okay, let's make just $100 today. Maybe it's good for. It's enough for today. It's not 1% even, but still $100. Um, sure, bro. Uh, thank you. Thank you for being online. All right. Did you follow the WhatsApp? So let me check if you have followed that. On TikTok? Okay. Let me check. Like when you open it, what just happened? Let me know. Actually, if something wrong though, so that can be helpful for maybe more people. How do I? Hmm, what the? How did I connected these things. What's just wrong with TikTok? Even I'm not just selecting anyone, but mm, so you have sent message me on. Okay, okay. Let me check. Let me check. Mhm. I think I can check the messages after this live. So I will reply you with my link, so you can just join, comment. Okay. Uh, let me. Can you check if you get a message? I have just pinned that message. Uh, I have sent you in this live stream. You can just check. Did you get that? Oh, this was $20 positive and went back up again. This coin is just testing my patience. Yeah, okay, okay, perfect, perfect. I hope you can join my channel, that channel as well. So I don't know what's just happening there. Hmm, what would be the reason? I don't know. Okay, you can save this link. I will check what's wrong with my channel. Let me check on my phone. Maybe I have just. Okay, I have just sent the message in the phone. Status is also okay. Okay, I think maybe something wrong, but on my side it seems fine. But I will send you a link on your private message on TikTok as well. So maybe it will work well. Okay. Mm, Okay, let me. Hmm. I hope things are going right in the right direction from here. I just want to make $40. Boy just gave me $40 in this trade, and I will just not trade you anymore. I just want. Uh, sure, sure. Thank you so much for being a part of live session. Okay, okay. TP is just $40, not much, but I don't know why it's not giving me that opportunity. Hmm, where is it going? Okay. I took this from here, closed the position at here in 3-4 minutes. I was lucky in this position, but let's see how much lucky I am. Can I grab another opportunity? This one, maybe, maybe not. That will be okay. What do you think? Like, what do you think? Where will it go? If we see the RSA on the 1 minute, if we see the 5 minutes RSA, it's in just 59, 15, 57, 69, oh, 43, 1 day 43. Um, we want to grab it again, but don't do hurry. All we need to do is show some patience at here. And how can we? Okay, check. Okay, I think I need to charge my system. There's an issue with my system, so I have to just show you my other screen. And where is it? I hope you guys can see the screen right now. Okay, so what's going on here is all we need to do is wait again. There is not a clear sign for now, at least. Maybe it will take some time, but okay, what just happened with our other trade? It's just in my favor again. Okay. It's just hovering around to that position. Maybe that's not a good. There could be a big pump and big dump from here. Let's. If I put my stop loss at my break even, I don't know. Should I put my stop loss at my break even or should I just wait? Maybe. Okay. Okay. So what is going on here is See, it's just falling down. That's what I need actually. I just need to grab very small amount of profit in this trade. It's not a big money, but maybe I would be able to grab. I just need this kind of moment again here. Uh, but the RSI is not in favor. Yes, it's not in favor. If we see the 5 minutes, it's still not in favor. If we see 15 minutes, it's still not in favor. To maybe it can come down a little bit. 1 hour is in favor. Maybe it will take some time. 1 day is, of course, it's in not in favor exactly, but anything can be happened. Let's see the indicator. This indicator, what does this indicator tells us? Okay, let's talk about that pair. Uh, 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 this one was that, okay. So yes, we can see there is a strong low. Why is it there? Let me just label size small, normal. Okay, it's good. Okay, so that's the strong low. Means uh, there are less chances for this one to come to that mark, but it's on the 1 minute time frame. Let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. If this indicator does work well here, weak high is a good sign. It's not a good sign. It can go up actually. Not a good sign, sorry. Strong low, yes. Yes, it's not coming down in the near time, maybe. But we are hoping for the best and we will do DCA. What the price I have just mentioned you earlier, maybe at that mark. And we can do DCA from, or we can double our position from here and just try to grab small profit, 20, 30, 40, $50, whatever the amount we can grab from here. And let me check another pair. Okay, so good opportunity to close the trade. We can take $20, so that's the way I would have to accept $100 instead of making 300 today because my other trade is stuck, so I don't feel good for that actually. Okay, I have made $100. Okay, that's enough for today. Maybe it's not 1% of the capital, but still, because I'm just using 1% of my capital, so technically I have made 30% of my uh margin size, so which is like good good enough, I think. And increasing portfolio day by day, slowly using small profits, taking small profits. And let's see, let's hope for the best, hope for the best. Okay. See, there are chances for this one to hit my TP. My TP is this. I have opened the short position. I can get that profit. I hope for the best. Let's see if I can grab that opportunity. That, but these empty wicks are not good sign. Maybe let me check. That's achievable actually. Yeah. See, that's how we make small profits. And I have made a $50. Wow. So that big wig gave me a $50. 50, 20, 70, 70, 60, 60, 40. So I have made $130 today. Okay, not bad. Not that good actually. The amount I just want to make. Guys, that's my real account. I always one of the guy was asking like it's your demo account. No, it's my real account. And trying to make some. Okay, we have a good chance to open the long position. No, we'll not do that maybe for now. I think we should wait. Okay, on the other hand, let's talk about this pair again. Oh, wow. What a pullback. Mm, okay. So what we have made is $130. Okay, not bad. Better than yesterday. I have just made $50 yesterday. Okay, that's totally fine. Try to make small profits. Just increase the percentage of your capital every day. We can open short from here, but I don't want to open short position. I am in a favor of opening the long positions only. So yes, it is. Hmm. Okay, the view from my room is very good. I really like the view. The skyline of Bangkok. It's very nice, very beautiful from here. Yeah, that's what we need to relax. Whenever I just feel tired, I just stand by my window and just started looking outside and just feeling good. Yeah. Okay. So yes, we have a good chance for. I think let it go for now. This specifically this coin, and let's talk about this one. If we can grab, what do you think? Like, do you suggest anything? What do you suggest? Or should I open the long position from here? I can open the long position from here actually. I am in a favor of opening the long position. But what's today's high was 113 and low was 102. So it's just in between somewhere today's price. What we need to do is we don't need to do hurry. Actually, we need to wait. And how much wait it can take sometimes, and it can take more time. It can take less time. Sometimes you just grab the opportunity and so that was a weak low. Okay. Okay. Let me set up the setting again. Normal, showing level size normal. Okay. Low, low, tiny, normal, and okay. Huh? Why it's not historical, colored, level size, tiny, small, normal. What's wrong with that? Visibility. Okay, let's see. Let's see this time. Let's see. Okay. Label size is normal. Chart one tick. Extend FVG to 5. Okay, okay, okay. See, that's the point. We could have taken long position. That's what I just mentioned earlier. But I just missed that point, so I was not taking any position, maybe. What I will do is I will wait and see if I can just have an opportunity again to take the long position. Uh, if we see the RSI, of course, RSI was in a very good favor at that time, but now for the 1 minute time frame, it's on uh 53, 55, 52, somewhere around there. So we are just not taking any position, at least from here. If RSI, yeah, that's the beauty of scalping. We just grab the opportunity, take the opportunity, and close the candles like three, four, five candles sometimes. So yes, we have made just $50 in this trade. Just want another $50, so that's 50, 60, $70 maybe. So that's the way we could have make. Uh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, change of character was showing here. It's that's a strong signal, but it went wrong actually. If you see that, and I will try to grab another opportunity if I would be able to get the right position if the RSI will be above 80. So now that's what I'm waiting for. If it goes right, it goes above to like uh, sorry, yes. If it goes above 80, yes, I will open the short position from there. But what we need to do is we need to wait, of course. That's the yeah. See, we are just about to get an opportunity. RSI above 70 is okay. Preferably for the short-term scalping, 80 would be a safer margin, but not every time. It's just an indicator. It just gives you a clarity, but not. See, it's on 70 now. Let me open. I'm not in the favor of opening the short positions always, but okay. No worries. We can. Let's open the short. Just RSI. Let's go a little bit up. So that's the way I would be able to open the short position. Okay, 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 okay. Above 80, above 80 will be my opportunity to open the short position. Above 80. 70 is okay, but we need to just join. Okay. Yes, yes, we are just trying to get that. Uh, yes, 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 go a little bit up. And RSA is 75, and I am just going to open the short position. Okay. S oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. I have just grabbed that. Okay. I set the limit. Okay. I did not grab from the market. All right. So my TP would be same, just like that. $40. Can I grab that profit? Maybe can go up a little bit to this mark, at least this mark, then for sure it will fall down. Now see, I have just grabbed that opportunity and just grabbed following by the RSI. I can set my stop loss at break even. So if something goes wrong, still I would be in the safe zone. But no, but my strategy is to do DCA for using 1% of my capital, as well as so for now let's assume that I have just opened this trade for using $100. I'm not using even 1% of my portfolio for this trade. And if everything goes right, let me show you. Okay, so that's my position using $108. I will do DCA with using another $108 somewhere around there, $100, maybe $110. So okay, so I can afford to lose $200 in this trade. I that's my strategy. Don't follow that strategy. Make your own strategy. That's what I always suggest. But that's the way actually. I have just grabbed this opportunity. Let's see if it goes right or wrong. And you guys just oh sorry. Let me set up. Oh, my screen is not showing the right. Okay. Sorry. So I just grabbed that opportunity uh, to open the short position from here. Well, I'm not in the favor of these positions, but yeah, that's opportunity for it. But that's what me. See, that's my that's next time NBC on the upper. So let's see if things are going right or wrong. Hmm. Into the and see if it gives us this thing. Okay, let's see. You please use more capital and smart leisure if you want to. Yes, that's possible. People are doing it, but that's the way they can learn and they will. So I would like for that your money as a single trade. Yes, you can, but if something wrong, then think can solve get later. It's very much video, this for entertainment and fun. And just because not a financial advice, not a financial. Uh, yeah, I'm not a financial expert, so yeah, be safe, guys. So yes, we are on a mission. Yeah, let's see. Yes, all of that. Not about the players before but we could get ours in our very position. Okay, I'm just going to open the long position from here. Using what's wrong? Oh, my system got stuck. Oh, sorry. Sorry guys, just wait. Okay. So yes, I am going to open a option in the market and using just 1% of going to the push from the market and we are okay. So for now, that will be I hope I could have make some profit. What's wrong? What's wrong? System just me just refresh this for you guys. I think there's some internet issue on my side. For the indicators. That's what it's. Let's talk about. I think got stuck somewhere. So it will be a part of your everything is just for different purpose. Be safe, guys. Crypto market is very volatile market. All you need to do is to just be safe and perform the trades. If you want to do, if you are new to that, try to use on demo accounts. I always suggest you people. And if you think you would be able to understand the market situation, because we are fighting against smart people of the of crypto or anything like that. So what we need to do is we need to just grab our share from their pocket. So yeah, sometimes it happens to be right, and so that's what you need actually. Uh, okay. Uh, so yes, what we are going to do is all right. Anything else I can do for you guys? You guys can just write me in the comment section as well. That would be a great honor for me to respond to you. And some people like it, some people don't like it. Well, everybody has its opinion, has rights to respond. But yeah, uh, seems like things going on the right direction for now, for this coin specifically. And if we see this one, uh, this one is also going on the right direction, but maybe take some time. My application is okay. Okay, for now, okay, guys, it's really nice talking with you guys. We had a good conversation today. And let's play together. Let's start growing together, make the start performing the trades as well. And that's what I always suggest you people. Moreover, thank you for giving me your time, for your likes, for your comments. Mm, I feel honored for that. And Okay, see. We'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time. Uh, yeah. And I think my system has some issues. It's not going, it's just getting stuck at some point. So we'll try to come online tomorrow at the same time. So we will have more discussion, more trades, and we'll show you my uh,